Hey guys. Was it a lot of homework last week, guys? Hi guys, how are you? Are you able to hear me?
Yeah.
I can hear you.
Yeah.
Good. Good. Okay, so how was last week's, guys?
It was good.
It was good or hard or what?
It wasn't hard.
Well, there was a lot of
Some,
questions for sure.
questions.
Yeah, it was a lot of
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Go ahead, I'm hearing.
Yeah, there was just like some questions that I had on the homework.
Uh-huh. Shall we go over that?
Yeah.
Sure. One second, guys. Let me give this to one of the moms and I'll join. Hold on, give me 1 minute, okay?
Mhm.
Okay. Which homework should I bring up first? Let me go over it. I saw, okay. But some of you have not submitted. I don't know what to think about those that did not submit it. Have you done it or were you interested? You were not
Oh
interested?
wait,
No,
I didn't. I like done it. I did it on a printout. So.
I'm still in the middle of doing it.
I'm submitting it right now. I forgot to submit it.
Yeah, me too.
So
No. We'll go ahead and check the answers for those of you who did it, right? We'll go ahead and definitely check the answers. I don't want to grade it, okay? Because you guys are trying and that's great. You see what I mean?
Yeah. No, I just I was just going over the questions that I didn't understand with my dad.
Hey, who is this math science? Who is this math science?
I think that's me.
I think that's you. I want to see who is it. Hold on. Who is it?
Is it me, Anika?
Okay, ma. That is you. Okay. I just want to know. Okay. In the Google Classroom. Okay, good. Anika, did you have time to do the homework, ma?
I think I did it. I'm not sure if I submitted it properly.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. I'm not going to grade this, but I will say that I have seen it, right? Okay, let's go ahead with the answer checking, guys. Which one do you want to do?
The one that you posted November 19th. Can you go over question number 23?
Number 19th. Okay. Let me share screen, ma. You can let me know which one we want to go through.
Mm-hmm. It's the very, very last questions.
Mm-hmm. Which one you tell me, ma? I'll go through that.
Hold on, dear. I don't know the name of it. I might have to open it.
I know the name of it. Sorry, give me a second.
Which one?
I think it's called ratio proportions and ratio proportions percentages problems.
Ratio, proportions, and percentage problems.
It's the one under the one that you clicked. It says due yesterday.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it. This one?
Yeah, that one.
Okay, let's go through it. Which one you want to clarify?
The last question on that one.
This one?
Mhm.
Brian has earned.
Oh, like Question number 22, like it's the same model, but like the model is the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
22, you want to know?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this was a little bit tricky. How many of you solved it? 10,000 marbles are released into a pipe as shown and roll down the pipe system. Anytime the pipe forks, the marbles split in proportion to the cross-sectional area of the pipes. All pipes have circular cross-sections with diameters as indicated in the figure. How many marbles exit the bottom of the pipe? Oh, I don't think the answer is 10,000. So, okay, so 1,000. Okay. Anybody did this?
I didn't get
Okay.
it either.
Okay, no problem. Let's see. Let's see. Vrishang, did you do?
Oh, this one was one of the ones that I had a doubt on.
Okay, Vrishang, you're not on video, right?
Oh. Here we go.
Okay. All pipes have with diameters. Okay, these are the diameters that are indicated, right? Okay, now the diameter means this is 5, the radius is 5, here the radius is 10, here the radius is 10, here the radius is 5, radius is 5, here the radius is 15, right? So the proportional cross-sectional area of the pipes is what? 10,000 marbles are okay. In from as shown on the system, anytime the pipe forks, the marble split in proportion to the cross-sectional area of the pipes. So what is the area of the pipes here? What is the area of the pipe? 25 pi, right? This one would be 100 pi, right? So the marbles are going to split in the ratio 1:4. Do you all agree? Do you all agree?
Yeah.
See, find the radius, find the area. What is the proportion of their area? 25:100, right? So it is 1:4. So if I'm going to split this into 5 parts, what is one part of it?
2,000.
2,000, and this would be
8,000.
8,000. Now, let's go ahead with the same logic down. Can we see whether you all get the answer? I want to try, guys. Let's try this one. I have not personally tried. Why don't we try it now? Can we try?
Mm-hmm.
Try, guys. I'll be happy to help. If we are not getting it, we are going to get it somehow. Can we please try?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me know, guys. I'm going to wait on your answers.
I put my answer in the chat, Auntie.
Yeah, but I want to know what will each pipe give. In the sense,
Oh,
do you
okay.
understand? Meaning, I just don't need the answer. Answer is there at the bottom, right?
Yeah.
So what I want to understand is pipe 1, how much is going to give?
Uh-huh.
This one, 2, how much is going to give? 3, how much? 4, how much?
Okay, thank
Can I get that? So that is trickier, right? Only if you solve, you'll be able to give me the answers.
Yeah.
Can I try?
Mhm.
Only if you understand, you'll be able to get it. Okay, sure. Where is the part you didn't get it, Vidyut? I will help you. Where is the part you didn't
I
get it?
didn't like get it where you get the 25 pi and the 100 pi.
Oh, okay. Do you know the area of the circle, Vidyut?
Radius squared times pi.
Correct. Radius square times pi. So the given problem is saying 10,000 pipes, 10,000 marbles are released into the top of the pipe, right? Shown and roll down the pipe system. Anytime the pipe forks, right? Anytime the pipe forks, the marbles split in proportion to the cross-sectional area of the pipes. The diameters are given. So let's write down the proper radii. Radii is 5, 10. This is 10. This is 5, 5, and then 15, right? Now,
Yeah.
this is not even important, but what is important is what is the area? What is the proportion of their areas? Area is what? R square pi, right? 5 times 5, 25 pi. This is 100 pi. Now, what is the proportion of their areas? 25 pi by 100 pi means what?
It's 1 to 4.
1 to 4. If one ball, for every one ball that falls here, 4 ball falls here, right? So if you consider like that, you split this into 5 parts. When you split this into 5 parts, 2,000 falls here, 8,000 falls here. That's what I said. You got it?
Yeah.
Now, like that, the same logic, here it would be 225 pi, 15 square pi. This is 25 pi, 25 pi. This is 100 pi. Now, the ratio is only between these two pipes. You see, because the split is between these two. 1:4 split. Here it is going to be 1:9 split. So, this you're going to split it into 10 parts. This you're going to split it into how many parts? 5 parts. You get it?
Yeah.
And then once you split it into 5 parts, one of the parts go here, 4 parts go here. Similarly, 1 part goes here, 9 parts goes here. You got it? Now you have to sum up 2 and 3. You got it?
Yeah, I think I did.
If you don't understand still, you have to let me know. Samantha, I think that's good job, ma. You got it. Yeah, correct, Anika. You're right. See, things like this, right? If you conceptually understand, see, if they are saying all pipes have circular cross sections, and they're also saying the marble split in proportion to their cross sectional areas. Proportion to their cross sectional areas means what? Find their cross sectional area. What is the ratio? If I consider one ball here, 25 pi to 100 pi, it's times 4, right? So if one ball falls here, 4 ball falls into this. That is the ratio. For every one ball, there are 4 balls falling into the next one. So the same logic applies everywhere. I can erase this, guys. It's so confusing for you, I feel. You let me know if you want me to intervene and help you. Go ahead.
Oh my God, so nice to
Guys, can I help you, or do you want me to do? What do you want me to do, guys? Why would the ratio get smaller, Ma? There is nothing related to the ratio getting smaller as the pipe goes down, right? Why do you think like that? Why do you think like that, Anika? Mm. But the ratio is calculated like this, right? 2000 in the 2000, see, 2000 pipes are coming here now. 8000 is coming here. Now the 8000 gets split. So this is 5 means 25 pi. This is 10 means 100 pi. Now again the ratio is 1:4. The ratio was 1:4 here, right? The same thing applies here because 25 pi to 100 pi is 1:4. So for every 1 falls here, 1/4 falls here. So 8000 should be split into 5 parts. One of the part falls here, 4 of the parts fall here. Vidyut, good job. So 2 and 3 sum up to the answer. You guys got it?
Yeah.
So read the problem carefully. It will show a lot of ways to solve.
Auntie,
Yeah, go ahead.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
Well, I think it was 1 second. Let me see.
Go ahead.
Yeah, wait, 1 second. Sorry. Can you go to the end? Wait. I think, yeah, number 5.
Okay, am I done with this? The answer would be 200 here, 1600 here, making a total of 1800. Okay, and for your knowledge, this would be 6400. This would be 1800. Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Can I move on? What else?
Yeah. Number, I don't understand why the answer key said 36 by 5 on number 5.
Maybe answer key is wrong, huh? Which one, ma?
Number 5.
Number 5. Number 5. I'll have to try it out. Can we try it out?
Yeah.
Okay. This was a different strategy problem actually. See, here it was a little difficult, okay? 12 experienced workers and 6 new workers can build a house in 6 months. Okay, 6 experienced workers and 12 new workers can build a house in 9 months. If you think about it,
I got the end. I think I got, wait, 1 second.
see, the thing is, if you write it like this, right? How many months? We don't know the months. Will it take for 9 experienced workers plus 9 new workers, right? So what is the best way to do it when you think about it?
Sure. Well, in my opinion, it's sure.
So from here, I can say 1/6 of the work got done in a month, right? 1/9 of the work got done in a month, right? Correct?
Auntie, wait, I didn't, wait, can I just say I just got it a little differently? Because I feel
What?
like there's an easier way than
You
this.
combine that, right?
Yeah,
18
it's 18
experienced
months.
workers plus 18 new workers can get how much of work done in a month? This much
50.
work done in a month, right? Because this much work gets done in 1 month, right?
I have a question.
Yeah, what is it?
Yeah, can't you just do 18 new workers plus 18 old workers, do it in 15 months? So divide it by 2 on both sides.
No, good question, Harsha. That is a very clever question. That's a good question. But think about this, Harsha, practically. When you work alone, you take 12 months. When I work with you, would you take 24 months?
No.
So the logic here is you cannot see just because number of people when they increase will the month get reduced or what? It has to get reduced. It's difficult to calculate that. That's why instead of using this, find out how much of work gets done in 1 month by these people. How much, find out how much of what fraction of work gets done in 1 month if these people work together. So when you add them, when you add all of this, 18 experienced and 18 new workers will get 1/6 plus 1/9 of a job in 1 month. You get it?
Yeah.
So if you do this, what is the
5/18.
3 plus 2, right? 5/18 divided by 2. So basically it is what?
5/36.
5/36. No, I'm not getting that. Hold on. 5 by.
You divide it by
Yeah, 5/36. 5/36, right? So this is the amount of work done in basically 1 month, right? So how long will it take for them to the reciprocal of this is the number of months. Do you see it? If you get this fraction of work done in 1 month, the reciprocal of that is the time taken. Do you see it?
Yeah.
So it would be 36/5 is the answer.
Okay, that makes sense.
Makes sense. Huh? See, because think about it logically. When the number of people increase to 18 new and 18 experienced, do you think you have to add the months? No, right?
No.
It is not making sense there. That's where instead of adding the months, you go ahead and find the amount, the fraction of work done by this set in 1 month. The fraction of work done by this set in 1 month.
Okay.
Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Vishrang, am I making sense?
And
Yeah.
I have one more question.
Go ahead.
In number A, it says what fraction of the students, but in the answer key, it's a number, not a fraction.
Then I am sorry, I copied it wrongly. It will be very likely like that. Oh my goodness. What is that question? Let me see, guys.
Number 8.
Number 8, huh?
Yeah, I got 22 by 4.
270 students. Wait. Please, sorry. There are 270 students. I need to check, guys. I don't know. 270 students. What is this? Give me a minute. $270 students at Colfax Middle School, right? Answer is one second. Colfax Middle School, huh? Yeah, where the ratio boys to girls, is that the problem?
No. It says what fraction of the students at the dance are girls.
I get
There's
it.
no fraction. So,
No, wait, I understood. Hold on. Give me a minute.
you're on mute.
Sorry, Ma, I am not able to find it. Hold on. Oh, Hamsini, you joined here. Good job. Let's do it together. Can we do it together?
Yeah. I already found the answer.
We'll do it together, I feel. That way we will know directly. Where are we?
Question 8 was
Oh
actually.
my God. Okay. I just got. Okay, wait. Let me go through that. Which one, Ma? This one?
Yeah, 8
Yeah,
was
eight
kind
was
of easy. Well, in my
Which one? Which question was it? Sorry, fifth
Eight.
one. Huh?
8.
8. Okay. Let's do it
Fifth
together.
fraction, but
There are 270 students at Halifax Middle School, where the ratio of boys to girls is okay. Let's do it together so we'll know, right?
5 plus 4 is 9.
I'm sure I have copied the answer wrongly there. The ratio of boys to girls is 5:4. Boys to girls is 5:4. Okay.
5 plus 4.
Where the ratio of boys to girls is 4:5. The two schools hold a dance and all students from both schools attend. What is the fraction of the students? Okay. Oh, okay. This is an easy problem only, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is total number of students is what?
450.
270 plus 180. 0,
4.
15, 2, 3, 450 students are participating. Now, but before that, right, I need to find out what is 5/9 of 270, right?
30.
150. This is
Wait,
5/9
oh,
of
oh, 5
270.
minutes. Sorry.
30,
I thought you were
120, correct?
Yeah.
Now this one is 450, 4/9 of 180, right?
100.
80, right? 5/9 of 180, 80, right?
What?
100, right? 180. Now, what is the question asked? What fraction of the students at the dance are girls, right? So 220. 220 divided by 450. Does it make sense?
Yeah, I got that.
I have sincerely copied the answer incorrectly.
Yeah, I was kind of confused. I'm like, wait.
Yeah, I have copied the answer incorrectly. So it was 22 by 45. Makes sense?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep. What other questions?
Auntie, can you go over number 10?
Number 10. Sure. How many of you solved it?
I
Would one
solved
of
it.
Can we try
Rishant, are
solving
you
it?
here?
I solved it.
Rishant, please don't switch off the video. That's not okay with me. Go ahead.
Me?
Okay, what would one of you like to explain, or you want me to say?
I can, if you want to.
I can.
Okay, who wants to go ahead? One of you go ahead and explain. I know Hamsini wants to, Harshat wants to. Can I ask somebody else to explain? Okay, this time Hamsini, do you want to go ahead? Harshat, I'll give you the turn soon. Go ahead.
Okay.
Do you have the correct answer, Hamsini?
I think I do, yeah.
Okay.
So if 1/3 of her marbles are blue, 1/4 of them are red, and 6 of them are green, then that means that we have to do a common denominator for the blue and red to find out how much of the total the green is. So 12 is a common denominator for both of them. So 3 by 12 is red and 4 by 12 is blue. So if you add them, you get 7 by 12. 7 by 12. So the rest of it, the rest of the marbles are green colored. So 5 by 12 of the total is 6. If that's true, then we can find this out. So the total is 72 by 5. Since 5 by 12 times 72 by 5 is 6. So what is the smallest number of yellow marbles Marcy can have? So technically, the total is 14.4.
But it can't be a decimal, right? So
Yeah,
what is
so you have, I think you have to multiply that by how much ever you need to multiply that by to get whole number, an integer.
Completely makes sense. So how do you do this?
So
But wait. Blue, red, green is what we thought, but yellow is also there, right?
Yeah, that's
Oh.
what I did everything Anthony did, but then like up to 512, but then I didn't say it total.
Oh, I see. So did you solve, Harshit?
Yes, I got the correct answer too.
You got the correct answer, then go ahead and explain.
Okay, so after I went to 512, first I tried if 1 by 12 would be 6. Okay, and then how can 4 by well 4 by 12 would wait, let me 1 second, sorry. Yeah, and then if 1 by 12 was 6, then 4 by 12 would have, I mean, if 1 by 12 was the smallest number, then 4 by 12 would have to be 6. So then you can't do 6 divided by 4, that would be a decimal. So then I tried another one. Then what if 2 by 12 was that? So then 3 by 12 would be 6, and that's possible. So 2. So then 2, and so 2 by 12 times, wait. Yeah, and then 2 by 12, and then 1 by 12 would be 2, and then 1 times 2 is, 2 times 2 is 4. So the answer is 4.
Good thought. Okay, let me go ahead and explain once. So 1/3 of the marble is blue, 1/4 of the marble is red, 6 is green, they have said. So come what may, the number of marbles, total marbles, has to be a whole number. It can't be a fraction. So that being the case, let's first consider that he has 12 total marbles. If you consider that he has 12 total marbles, then 4 should be blue, then 3 should be red, and then there's only what? How many? 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are done. Only 12 means 7. So the rest remaining 5 only are there, but that has to be split up between green and yellow, which is not possible. So let me take the second multiple of 12, 24. 24 is taken, I would end up with 8 blue, 6 red, because multiply by 2, right? And then when there are 6 green, do I have some yellow marbles? I need to check. So 12 plus 8, 20, 4 yellow. See? What is the answer, ma?
4. The answer is 4.
4. So the minimum number of yellow marbles he can have is just 4. Does it make sense?
Yeah, all I did was I kept lowering the fraction. Kept making the fraction go higher and see.
Go high, yeah, high and high. But here the question is, what is the smallest number?
Yeah.
So what is the least multiple of 12 that facilitates him to have some yellow marbles and not half a marbles in any category is what is your answer. So it's 4 yellow marbles, 24 total marbles. Any other questions?
Can we go over question 11?
Any question we can go over, guys. It's important that you all know at least whatever we have done. Okay, sure. What is this question? I'll go over, or if somebody else has solved, it's important that you raise up and explain, ma. That way you develop that tendency as well, right? Number of students from Fibonacci Middle School are
See,
taking part in a community.
Auntie, for number 11, I got 9 over 10, but the answer is 10 over 9.
Maybe I copied it wrongly again. Well, let me see. Hereafter, I'll be very careful. Okay, 8th to 6th graders is 5:3. And the ratio of 8th to 7th graders is 8:5. What is the smallest number of students that could be participating in the project? Okay, so see, what is the smallest number of students means? Okay, what is the smallest number of students? See, this has to be 5x, this has to be 3x, this has to be 8x, this has to be 5x. First, you need to merge these two numbers somehow. How will you merge these two numbers? 8th grader, right? So for every 3 6th grader, there are 5 8th graders. For every 8 8th graders, there are 5 7th graders.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
Well, if 8th graders to 6th graders 5x or 3x, but how is 8th graders to 7th graders the same variable x?
Good question. See, how does the ratio work? For every 1 ball, 4 ball comes here means what? 1 ball, 4 ball can come here. This can be 2, this can be 8, this can be 3, this can be 12. So
Yeah.
the x value here is 2. X value here is 3. Do you get it?
Yeah.
When you multiply this by 2, this should also be multiplied by 2. When you multiply this by 3, this should also be multiplied by 3. That's what the whole concept of ratio is, right? So that
Yes.
multiplier, you can take it as x. Yes, Amsini. Do you have the answer?
No, I just had a question. Since 3 is number is the ratio of 6th graders, shouldn't we be matching 8x and 5x, not 8x and 3x?
Come again, come again.
5 to 3 is 8th graders to 6th graders.
Correct.
8 to 5 is 8th graders to 7th graders, right?
So we should be matching 5 and 8, correct?
Yeah.
Sorry,
Or are we matching?
Oh yeah, because the 8th and 8th we should be matching, correct. Did I say that we have to match 3 and 8? I'm sorry. You're meaning only 8th and 8th you can match. So guys, how do you match up 8 and 5? Yeah, the least common multiple, right?
Yeah.
So let's try it out. How? Consider I multiply this by 8, it becomes 40, then this will be 24. This will be 40, this would be 20, right? So 6th, 7th, 8th, I can bring them up to a common ratio. What it is? 6th will be 24. See, the order is important. 7th would be 20. 8th would be 40, correct?
You can divide all of them by 4.
You can divide all of them by?
4.
Yeah, 4, correct. 6, no, yeah, you can. 6, 5, 10. So what is the smallest number of students that could be participating in this project? Can one of you check the answer?
The answer was 10 over 9. Oh wait,
Was it a
for
fraction?
number 11. Oh shoot, for number 11.
No problem, huh?
For number 11, the answer was 89.
Yeah.
89?
Yeah, the answer is 89.
Yeah, I think we messed up somewhere.
Yeah, see, answer when, okay, let me see. So this should be, what answers did you get? Anybody who solved it, did you get something?
I think I got 89. Not sure.
Oh, for number. Okay, so for number.
I also got 89.
Oh, you got 89? Okay, let's see where did we miss them.
Can we all send our can we all redo it and send our answers to you?
Yep.
Oh, Auntie. Oh.
Did I mix the answers? Let me see, guys. 12.
Yeah, I got 89 for number 11.
Could you go back to the problem, please?
Could I go back to the problem? I'm sorry, guys. Okay, let me check it later. How about this? Yeah, you go ahead. Which was the question, ma'am? Sorry, ma'am. What was the question number?
11.
11, I
11.
think.
Okay, let me erase mine. I will come back to the same workout. We can do the same workout anytime. 11. So go ahead and do it now and let me know. Hey guys, we have to go to Pythagorean theorem quickly. So basically we are comparing ratios, right? So if we understand the concept of ratios, this should not be that difficult at all.
Auntie, for the ratio,
Uh-huh.
I got a 40 to 25 to 24. So then when
let me redo the same workout, ma. 1 minute, ma. Away from the text. 1 minute. 8th to 7th. Go ahead, ma.
So for the final ratio, I got 40 to 25 to 24. So then I
40 is to
added it up.
40. Wait,
And
ma,
then I
wait,
got-
ma, wait,
Yeah,
ma.
so did I.
You cannot simplify that. Honestly, I feel, because I'll tell you why. So here, 40 is to, what was this? 5 is a 25. So now the ratio of 6th, 7th, 8th will be, now you will be able to compare them, right? 20.
Yeah.
Did you get 24, 40, 25, ma?
Yeah, I did.
Oh yeah, then you add them up. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 89. 89 is right. Because if you simplify, you cannot go ahead with the 8:5 ratio and all. You got it, Harshad?
Yeah.
The ratio will break, meaning the ratio won't work. Correct, Anika? We didn't add all the numbers. Harshita, are you following, ma?
Yes, I understood it.
Okay, can I move on? What other questions you had? Come on, guys.
Can you answer number 23, Auntie?
Yeah,
The
yeah,
very-
anything I can answer, please. Meaning at least whatever we learn properly. 20?
3. So the very last question. Yeah, Brian.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to do. Let's see. Do you want to try? Want to think out loud? See, that only develops, right? Brian has, okay, let me read it out. Let's see, let's think it out together and then you can do. Brian has earned 65%, 80%, 92%. These exams are not weighed equally. The lowest counts for 20% of his overall grade. Okay. While the other counts for 25%, 25% each. In the final exam, if the final exam is the remainder of the overall grade, 50, 60, 70 is accounted for. Okay. And there are no opportunities. What is the highest grade Brian can earn in the class? You all want to try? It's a lot of proportions. I really want Swarit to try explaining this. Swarit, you're here, right? Shahreen, where are you?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, let me go ahead
I'm
and put it
here.
in.
I didn't really get to do the problems.
Here.
Oh, I see. Ma.
Is my
I was at camp this weekend.
Oh, you are at camp. Okay, just try. It's okay. Then it's okay. Doesn't matter. But why can't you try now? Is that okay?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Busto lagi anak kuning. Busto.
I don't know, but 65%, 6,500. And then I don't know if we would do the same with like the rest, like 20% of like what it is.
you're showing the answer.
That's okay. At the end of it, I want you to explain, right? Meaning we're not going to abuse. This class is not going to abuse. It's okay. You want me to explain?
Yeah.
Okay. Think about this, guys. Okay, this is just logical. Okay, when you enter into 9th grade, exactly you will be given the same process. How to make up your grades, how to calculate your grades. You should know that, right? Shall I go ahead and tell you?
Yeah.
So here, see, the first test is going to account for only 20% of his grade. The second test is going to account for only 25% of his grade. Third test is going to account for only 25% of his grade. And the final test is going to account for 30% of his grade, for which we don't know the final score. Final test score, we don't know. They are saying he earned 65%, meaning 65% means 65 for 100 he earned. But that's going to contribute only 20% of his score, means if it was for 20, how much would have been the value? Just proportion again. What do you think? What do you think? See, if he
13.
got 65 on 100 for just 20, what he would have gotten?
13.
13. Similarly, if he got 80 out of 100, but it was only, they considered for only 25.
20.
So it was, how much it was?
20.
20. Similarly, he got 92 for 100, but 25 marks only it is counted for, because this total should be for 100. Okay, now for 25,
23. 23.
23.
Okay.
Now, for the final exam, what are they asking? What is the maximum credit what is that? If the final exam is the remainder of the overall grade and there are no opportunities, what is the highest grade Brian can earn? So let's say he earns 100 here. Because so that will be, what will be the points he has for his grade, total grade?
100 divided by. Wait, 100.
I can take a total of 30, right? He got 100 means it's a total of 30, right?
Yeah.
You don't need to calculate here. So now the total of this is what is going to account for his percentage score, right?
That's 86 if you add it up.
86. So that's the answer. You got it. His will be 86%. This is out of 100, right? 100 out of 100. He is going to get 86 out of 100.
Oh.
So you just need to add them up.
Yeah, because because if the weightage is only 20% means you have to calculate, you have to assume that the total marks is 20. Then what would have been his score for that 20? Then out of 25, what would have been his score? Out of again 25, what would have been his score? Again for 30, what would have been his score? You get it? So the weightage is 20, 25, 25, 30, right?
Yeah.
Any questions?
So it's only the wording that's changing. The problem itself is simple, but the wording just makes it.
Yeah. You need to understand the concept, apply.
The wording.
What is it, Pritishank?
I was just agreeing with him that the wording makes it a bit difficult.
Yeah, it is
a bit more.
100% I accept. Okay, now
Yeah.
there were some wrong answers, I know. This was incorrect. This was incorrect. Correct, guys? And there was one more that was incorrect. Which one was
18 or 18?
Is 8.
8, yeah. 8 was incorrect. What was that?
If the answer was supposed to be a fraction, 22 by 45.
Yeah. Yeah, something. Yeah. So 2 answers were incorrect here. Okay, thanks for pointing it out. Anything else? Anything else in this homework? Can we go to Pythagorean theorem? See, it's already so much of time.
There's only 10 minutes.
I know, right?
Wait, are we gonna have like a test today?
See, guys, one option I'll give you. Do you want to take the test throughout soon after the class, or do you want to take it tomorrow? I can close it by tomorrow night. How do you want to? Meaning, see, at the end of it, it has to be productive for you. You should not get overwhelmed. Oh my gosh, that should not be the case.
We're doing it.
Oh, Auntie, for tomorrow the class is also at 7, right? Like
Not tomorrow, right? Huh?
Thursday.
Not tomorrow, right?
Thursday.
Oh, Thursday. It's like the same time, right?
Yeah, let's do the same time. Then only we'll remember, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, you won't even remember. Every day I keep on changing time. Half of you will attend, half of you will waste not attending, right? So let's not do that. But yeah, let's go ahead and try. Okay. So shall I go to Pythagorean? Okay. When do you want to take the test? Quick, guys. I want some answers. How do you feel?
Today.
Comfortable or not? Working out different problems and strategies will improve slowly. Meaning the way you solve problems. See, at least on ratio, proportions, percentages, I expect you to be able to do some basic problems now. If I give you a test on ratio, proportions and all, ratio, proportions, percentage, and then what? Ratio, proportions, percentage, and work rate. Shall we try whether you're able to do? I know Pythagorean theorem we are not yet done, but can I try giving you one or two problems?
Mm-hmm.
Shall we try? Meaning completely from a different book.
Yeah.
Give me a minute. I'll give you one or two. Proportions itself will do. Let's see whether you're able to do.
What is
28.
the Pythagorean? Like,
Proportions, I'll give you, ma. 1 minute, wait. How about this? This is a good one. Very similar to what we did. Let's see. See, for these, right, you know about volume 1 and art of problem solving. Volume 1, there is another book that is also very good. Okay, whatever we are dealing with, right? Meaning, yeah, the problems in that book are also very good by topic, whatever we are covering. But it's not, I'm not asking you to do every book in the world, okay? At the end of it, the more you solve, the better it is. So are you able to see the problem?
Yes. Yeah.
Can we try? Please, guys, go ahead and try. There is another easy way to do these type of problems. We went ahead with work equal to RT, right? There is another easy way as well.
Yeah, that was that. You know, my dad kept doing that when I didn't understand when I was doing work. When I was doing work. Right?
Okay. Oh, that 36/5 was correct. Oh, that same problem is in here. I had collected that from here. See? Go ahead. And I'll give you one more problem on percentage. I'm just checking where we are. Okay, I know Pythagorean theorem will cover at least the basics and I'll let you go. Let me see. Oh my God, I didn't mean to type it there. Go ahead, guys. Try this one, guys. Please, both the answers send as quickly as possible. See, if you can revise LCM, GCF and come back, it will be so much easier next week. I've not even done the Pythagorean theorem. It's okay. See, angle chasing problems are very important. Did you guys get it? I have one answer. Oh, okay. Anika, did you understand the grade problem? I'm just now seeing your. Yes, Hamsini, thank you for the message last time. I don't know the answer. Are you guys trying? You know what? I don't have the answers for this. Otherwise, we'll do it. Okay, we'll do it on the board and we'll get the answers. Let me see, guys.
I can't see the full question.
Why, Emma?
But can you pull the question up so I can see the entire thing, I think?
No, where to pull, you tell me.
Oh, the question pull it to the side so I can see the entire thing. Because I don't think.
Can you enlarge anything? Can you enlarge it?
Oh yeah, I can see it now.
Okay, because I'm not able to control. Okay. It's a fraction answer.
Yeah, that's what I got too. But I
What
was-
did you get? Can you send it to me?
Okay.
Oh, that's right. Harshita, you got the second answer right. Good job. Harshit, that seems correct. That seems correct. Vidyut, good job, Vidyut.
I was worried I got it wrong.
No, you got it right.
Because it was
The
really
first
weird. I thought
answer,
it was like,
Harshit and Vidyut, you got it. Samantha, the second answer, you got it. Anika, the second answer, you got it. What is that? 3 days for the first day. For the first question, Amanika. Did you mean to
I
ask?
said my first answer.
Yeah, sorry, I did a typo.
Vidyut, the second answer seems incorrect. Vidyut, please think about if the price is reduced, what would it come to? It would come to 60% of X. The original price was X.
And
The second answer is incorrect, Harshad.
Okay.
See, there's a nice way of doing it. Vidyut and Harshad, the second answer, see, initial price was X means if it was decreased by 40% means 60 by 100, 6 by 10, which is nothing but 3 by 5. 3 by 5 of X is that price, intermediate price. And that, the resulting price is increased by 50%. Then it becomes 150 by 100.
I think because I was doing it backwards.
Okay, that's also fine. That's also fine. That's also fine. Hamsini, the second one is correct. The first one is... first one is not correct. Oh, Diya. Can you check? Something feels wrong about the first. Diya, check again, Diya.
Okay.
Okay. One way, guys. I don't know. Let me show you. Rishank, I can show you one easy way for you to do this, but I don't want you to follow this easy way. I want you to follow the work equal to rate times. That is only better, okay? But you know what? The other way that I do, okay, when I show how to do these problems is hens, eggs, days. Okay, what is given? Write it down.
My dad is the exact same thing. But
You
like
did?
yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
But the thing is, sometimes you guys will forget if you follow this way. But this is
Yeah.
a very easy way of doing it, okay? Instead of going with work equal to rate times time and multiplying by the number of hens and stuff, this is by formula, okay? But this is a very logical way of doing it, okay? The thing is, my target should be 8 hens and they should lay 20 eggs. This is the target I have to bring to, okay? So the thing, how to bring it to 20? I have no idea. How to bring it
Divided by
to 8?
5, multiplied by 8.
What is it?
Divide it by 5 and then multiply it by 8.
Divide the entire thing by 5?
Divide hens by 5, multiply days by 5.
Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Hens and days. Okay. Now, hens, if the number of hens reduces, I divide it by 5, I can only work with 2 of the quantities. At a time, the proportionality works with only 2 of the quantities. So
Yeah.
I divide the number of hens by 5, then the days will be more or less?
More.
More. So I should multiply this by 5. Proportionally, it will be multiplied. So 1 hen, 24 eggs, 25 days. Do you
And
guys
then-
get it?
Yeah, and then you multiply that by 8.
Yeah, and then for the hens, right, I'm going to, I can work with what?
8.
Multiply by 8. Yeah, multiplying by 8 will give me 8 hens, right? But which one I'm going to tackle? Hens and eggs.
Just write, for days, just write 25 by 8.
You want days, okay. He's saying let's work with hens and days. Any 2 quantities you can work with, okay? Basically, you have to count the number of days, right? Always use the days, okay? Now, when I multiply the hens by 8, automatically days will be lessened, right? Days should be
25
divided by 8.
25
Okay, this
by
will remain 24. The other quantity remains as it is. Now, I am at a quantity 8, 24, 25 by 8. Remember, this is hens, this is eggs, this is days. Okay? Now, I have to bring it to 8 and 20.
Yeah, divide 24 by 6.
So, what should I do?
Divide 24 by 6.
Divide 24 by
6.
6. Okay. He's asking me to divide 24 by 6. In that case, the number of eggs is divided by 6 and the days should also be divided by 6. Do you all agree? Because the number of eggs reduces, days reduces, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this will be 4 and then what?
This will be
25
1 by
8.
6. So 25 by 48.
25 by 48. Now, finally, I will have to arrive at the eggs. I multiply by 5. So, number of days will also extend, right? Because number of eggs increases, the hens are remaining the same. So, it should be multiplied by 5. So, it is 125
by 48.
by 40. 48.
My dad does the exact same thing every single time. All the problems he solves it like this, and I get questionable because I'm doing it by work equals rate times.
That's fine. See, this is one way. This is one way. I am okay whatever way you follow, but this is very prone to errors because you have to analyze for every line you write whether which one should be multiplied, which one should be multiplied, which one should be divided. If the hens increase, days will reduce. If the hens increase, eggs will increase. So whichever 2 quantities you think about it, right? If the hens are thinned down, meaning are brought down. If the number of hens are brought down, number of eggs will reduce. So if you divide, you have to divide the eggs. But if you take hens and days, number of hens decreases, number of days increases. Division means this has to be multiplied. That sort of a logic you should have in place. If you have that logic, this is the easiest way. If you will forget the logic, this is the easiest way. Yeah, go ahead. Done, guys?
Yeah, but Auntie, why isn't the second one $300? Because if you divide it by
Second one, right? The price of a ring, let's say it's X. Okay. Now, the price of the ring decreased by 40 means it
X
became
times
60 by 100 of X. Okay.
X times
Now, and then the resulting price is increased by 150 means 150 by 100. This amount became 150 by 100 times that. So
wait,
this was
150 by
360.
Oh yeah.
If this was, let me finish.
Sorry, I was just asking.
So if this was 360, then it is 3 by 5x, and then this is 15 by 10, which is again 5 3s are 15, 5 is are 10, 3 by 2, which will be 360. Now, again, when you think about it, it's 9 by 10 of x will be equal to 360, or I can say x is equal to 3600 by 9, which is 400. So now to check this, right? Original price was 400. Then it was reduced by 40%, means it became 60% of the value. And then after it became 60% of the value, let's say the original price was 100, okay? It decreased by 40%, means it became 60. And then it increased by 50%. Increased by 50% means what? It became 150 by 100 of the original amount.
I divided 360 by 2 instead.
So do you guys get it, guys? Rishang, did you get it?
Yeah, understood.
How about Harshita? Did you get it?
I understand.
But the
Yeah,
easiest
Auntie.
way of doing this one is doing this. 60 by 100. Dia, did you get it, ma?
Yeah.
60 by 100 means 40% reduction. And after that, this resulting price was increased by 50, means you have to calculate 150% of that value. So that is 360. So form it as an equation and then solve for x.
Auntie?
Now, yes, ma.
I did a different one for like the first question. Like I did a different method.
Why don't you say that to us?
Yeah. So like it's a really weird way. I don't know
Go
how
ahead.
I can figure this out.
Go
So
ahead. See,
first,
figuring out really helps you. If you have your own way, I would encourage that. Go ahead and explain so that we all
first I
listen.
multiply 5 times 5,
Uh-huh.
which is 25,
Uh-huh.
over 24.
Uh-huh.
This is in days.
Uh-huh.
Whatever,
Oh,
just
I'm
keep
sorry,
that as days. So this is how much it will take for one hen to build lay one egg. So like
Oh, wow. Okay.
so then you had to divide that by 8. So so then you can do it times 1/8
Mm-hmm.
because you're doing the reciprocal, and then it will equal 25.
Oh, yeah, I got it. I got it. Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, and like 4.
20, yeah.
And then
Yeah.
25 over the
Perfect. See,
One
that's a good way. One, you have to find the reciprocal again, right?
and
Yeah.
then you had to multiply this by
See, that's a solid way. It's not a weird way. It's a very solid way.
yeah.
Provided you understand what is that 1 by 8 doing there and why are you reciprocaling it, all that you need to understand. Yeah, if you understand, I'm fine. You see what I mean?
Yeah, it's like an easy method for me.
Absolutely, I'll go with you. Please figure out your own ways. Okay, each of our brains are different, and figuring out will help you remember better rather than somebody telling you. Okay, sit, take your time. See, take this so that, see, your preparation for PSAT and SAT will be so much less. Okay, keep these problems doing, keep doing always these problems there and here. See, now you're given weekly some set of problems, right? So definitely do them. Okay, for now, guys, please let me know. I'm not going to discuss the Pythagorean theorem now. For the test, right, when do you want to take it?
No. Maybe
Now?
I want to take it later.
I don't mind taking it now.
I'm
Okay.
fine with anything.
What
I
are the
think-
others saying?
I
Quickly,
think
guys.
I think you should like send it in the Google Classroom and in the chat and like close it tomorrow.
Okay, send it. Okay, we'll do that then. How many of you are going to take it today? I just want to know.
Wait, which AMC is it going to be so I can take it later?
No, I didn't put an AMC. You know what? Last week I put an AMC. Okay. Some of you, you know what happened? I wanted to tell you what happened. Some of you who already solved that AMC8 paper without even knowing how you solved it got so many answers right. 20 was the highest. You see what I mean? Meaning it threw me off literally. Okay. I had put AMC8 2022 for this week, but then I completely changed it to a mock AMC8 test. so that you guys do not know, you would not have worked on the mark at all. And I will really know, I would really know what you really know. You see what I mean now? What problems you're really able to solve. You get it?
Mm-hmm.
So I changed it to a mock. Call pandrema. Did you all get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I have changed it to a mock. The questions you would not have seen at all. So I'm happy about it. Okay. So if I give you 2022, some of you have solved it earlier without even, meaning you all just remember the answer. So you put it out. That's not what I want, right? At the end of it, I want you to score less and understand how to do more. Got it? Okay. So can I put the questions there? Is that okay? And you can do it whenever you want. I shall share the link straight away now, but then you can do it anytime you want, meaning there's no hurry, there's no need, because there's no point in attending a 1 hour class and then doing a 45-minute. It's not worth it. But see, some of you have the grit to do, then please do. You got it?
Yeah, Andy, I have a question.
But
Why did you set a class on Thursday? Because like not instead of on Tuesday this week.
Oh, that's the plan, right? We are in the holidays, right? So I set it to
Oh.
Thursday. You don't want it on Thursday, Thanksgiving, then we have to fix up a date together. You all
No,
don't
no, no,
want
no. I'm just asking. I was just.
Are you all
we
going
have
for
to-
Thanksgiving? Then we need to set up a different date.
No, no. It's not that I don't want. I was just asking because I was.
Yeah, Thursday I set it up because we are all on holidays and we'll be in a better mood to do these hard problems. And then you know what? We don't have class till December 12th.
Oh.
After that class, we don't have class till December 12th. I'll give you a big chunk of problems for you to work on: ratio, rates, percentages. Finish all of them and come back. You'll be very good with percentages.
Right, Auntie.
Yeah.
So we have to finish this Google form test by tomorrow.
By tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow is better, right? Otherwise, if we don't set a target for ourselves, we are never going to do things.
Auntie, will we have another mock test tomorrow?
No, man. Tomorrow, maybe we'll take a break in one day. We'll take a break if you want to. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
We have
I'm
a
all for it. I'm all for you to enjoy as well as learn. Okay, don't
Auntie,
take it easy. Okay, get
I
out of
might-
your comfort zone and do.
Auntie, I have
I
a
might-
question.
Yeah, go ahead with you.
Can I just copy the link and can I do it tomorrow?
Absolutely, please. I don't
Okay.
want you to suffer. That's not the target of the class. I want you to nicely like it and learn, try out new things, try out new problems, even if it is hard, figure out, spend time. 5 problems you do if 10 are given.
Wait,
Auntie,
couldn't you just post it in the Google Classroom
Comment
instead of?
in the comment window. Shahrin, what was that? 2 dots? Nothing? You're on
I
mute.
accidentally clicked it.
Oh, you accidentally. Oh, I thought you gave me some emoji for me to understand what you reacted. Okay. Any other questions for me?
No.
Auntie,
Okay. So this week you're going to take it by tomorrow, right?
yeah.
Okay. That's fine.
Wait.
And then please do the homework. You have only 2 days, so I'll give you less homework.
Okay.
But for December 8th, I'll give you triple homework.
What?
Yeah, because you have long time, right? See, it's for your benefit. Is it for me you're working? Consolidating all those problems
Wait.
involve time for me. I don't like to.
Okay.
Hey, Auntie,
Yeah, ma.
can you either put the link in Google Classroom
I
or
will
text it to
definitely.
my mom?
Yes,
Because
I
I
will.
can't copy and paste it for some
Yes,
reason.
that's a problem. I know. I will do it.
Wait.
No, it's a problem with Zoom with you.
I
Oh.
don't think you can copy things from the chat.
Don't worry about it. Okay, I'll put it in Google Classroom. Okay, guys.
Okay.
See you all on Thursday. Please don't forget, put up reminders.
Okay, bye.
Bye, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Are we going to go over Pythagorean theorem on Thursday?
Thursday. Yes, ma. I want to push it. Yeah, I want you to nicely like it and learn. If I push too much, right, you'll all break.
Wait, Thursday?
But we will see. Yeah, Thursday.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Thank you.
Bye, bye.
Thursday?
Yeah, Thursday.
Oh.
What?
Thursday?